Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another severe weather update. So today we're going to be having two areas again of severe weather. One across the upper Midwest and northern plains, and the other across eastern New Mexico, western Texas, and then portions of the Oklahoma Panhandle and far southwestern Kansas. The Storm Prediction Center has issued an enhanced risk for severe weather today across portions of Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa, and South Dakota in the orange, and a slight risk surrounding that in the yellow, as well as down the Texas area, and a huge marginal risk in the dark green. And looking at today's tornado threats, there's a 10% chance of tornadoes touching down within 25 miles of a location in this yellow shaded region today, a 5% chance in this brown shaded region, and a 2% chance in this green shaded region. And in the 10% area, we got Sioux Falls. In the 5% region, we got Norfolk and Minneapolis. And we got a 2% chance of tornadoes down here in the Texas and New Mexico regions too, including Fort Stockton, Texas. Looking at damaging winds, we got a 30% chance of 58 mile per hour stronger winds within 25 miles of a location in the red shaded region, a 15% chance in the yellow shaded region, and a 5% chance in the brown shaded region for damaging wind today. And now, looking at the hail, this is going to be a big threat once again. Where we got a 30% chance of quarter size hail or larger within 25 miles of a location in this red shaded region, 15% chance in the yellow, 5% chance in the brown, and we got a big hatched area up in portions of Nebraska, Iowa, Minnesota, and South Dakota, which represents the possibility of significant 2-inch in diameter or hen egg size hail or larger within 25 miles of a location today. And I do think that today we could be seeing some possible gorilla hail in this hatched area up in the northern plains. So be very cautious of hail today. In fact, I'd recommend parking your car in the garage if you live in this hatched area today. And we also have another hatched area in West Texas and eastern New Mexico, where I would also recommend parking your car in the garage today. Now, timing out the event today, the upper Midwest event, we have a couple of showers and thunderstorms ongoing right now across eastern South Dakota, southern Minnesota, with some golf ball size hail near Rochester, Minnesota, reported by the public. So we already got some hail going on right now. And going into the future, starting around 10 o'clock, these storms will kind of weaken a bit, but what we're watching is going to be the afternoon storms, where by around 2 o'clock this afternoon, we could already start to be seeing some giant hail producing supercells develop across northeastern Nebraska, and going through 4 p.m., we could see like a backward arch of supercells move across Iowa, southwest Minnesota, southeast South Dakota, with all these uh, pink and purple reflectivities representing hail of up to 2 inches in diameter. And then going into about 6 p.m., it's going to kind of merge into a giant mesoscale convective system like it did yesterday across Texas and move into southwestern Minnesota, transitioning into that damaging wind threat. And then we still could be seeing hail in all this, still seeing some very dark reflectivities of over 70 dBz representing hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger, possibly around the Minneapolis area by about 10 p.m. Central Time tonight. So we're going to be seeing quite the nasty round of storms this evening, even going through midnight 1, 2 a.m. into the northeastern portions of Minnesota and northwestern portions of Wisconsin. We're going to be seeing pretty nasty storms today in this area. Now, taking a look at the Texas storms, these will begin to develop around 5 to 6 p.m. and could be seeing maybe some hail between quarter and hen egg size, maybe some gusty winds with these, but these do not look as intense as the ones in the upper Midwest today. But still, if you are in areas of the Texas Panhandle from Amarillo through Lubbock, Midland down to Fort Stockton, I would still get ready for some large hail and damaging winds today. So anyway, thanks for watching my severe weather update. Make sure to prepare for the severe weather if you live in any of the risk areas. Have a wonderful day, guys.